New pickup from Supreme. These should be my Skittles. I ordered together with the vans and they ship separately. So yeah. Take a look. They dropped the Skittles collab, so alright, got my 2 stickers right here. BOGO. And yeah, here's all my Skittles. I ordered 8 each of each colorway and each flavor. I don't know why I'm saying each colorway. It's kind of weird. So yeah, picked up the wild berry. It says Supreme on there. Wild berry. And I got the original. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But yeah, nothing too crazy. They did collab with Skittles. I picked up the Oreos when they dropped as well. But yeah, just a quick pickup. Some candy from Supreme. You know they do crazy stuff. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys copped or not. The wild berry sold out on the website, but the original's still there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.